Welcome back to another Hump Day hit. This week's pick is Kill Switch: The Rise of the Modern Senate and the Crippling of American Democracy by Adam Jentleson. Like raising the minimum wage, single-payer health care, and common-sense gun reform, the majority of Americans actually agree that the Senate is a wasteland where meaningful legislation goes to die. So how did the world's greatest deliberating body become the partisan roadblock it is today? From the concept of nullification to the filibuster that has been used for decades to block civil rights legislation, Jentleson gives an insider's account of how politicians representing a radical white minority have used and manipulated Senate procedural tools to hijack our democracy. Jentleson's book is infuriating and persuasive, offering practical action steps we can take that might just help us get Congress back to doing the people's business. You can pick up your copy at charmcitybooks.com and then give your senator a call and let them know how you feel about the filibuster.